everybody. Listen, man, I was so excited that I forgot to even turn on the microphone. So right now, I'm going to be unboxing it and everything. Bought this from Amazon, used, like new, by the way. And it's pretty much just brand new. So I'm going to unbox it, aesthetic unboxing. So, all right, so here we go. As you can see, still the original packaging and everything, okay? This is about to be insane. So let's go ahead and just move this over to the side. Y'all, I'm just so excited, right? So actually, this is a brand new computer. It comes with all the accessories, as you guys can see, everything right here. And designed by Apple in California with the power brick. Yo, I literally got this computer for like $400 off. I'm not lying to you. Like 400 bucks off, it's insane. So power brick, which we're gonna be needing. No stickers, by the way. All right, now for that classic Apple unwrapping experience. Woo. Hold up, let me do it like this, right? Unwrap this thing. Yeah. Let's see, can we just slide this off? Does that work? Uh-oh. Can you just don't slide? There we go. There we go. Yo. This is my computer, M4 MacBook Pro. Like, are we being for real right now? All right, I was so excited I forgot to turn on my little mic meeting, but now it's on. Y'all, look, man. The computer is literally right here, okay? Like, this is crazy. Like, brand new M4 MacBook Pro for what, 1,200 bucks? Where it usually costs 1,600 plus tax? Like, bro, I saved like $500 on a brand new computer. As you can see, it was brand new, okay? This is mind blowing. Don't mind the iPad, but this is literally mind blowing. Amazon, you came in clutch. All right, so like I said, we're gonna be setting this thing up for content creation, right? So we're gonna go ahead and set up everything and we're gonna get right back to y'all because, man, this thing is, this is so beautiful. Like, let me show you. Like, you can say I'm hyping this up, but just this screen alone looks insane, okay? Like, okay, yeah, we're gonna do English. Go ahead and hit that right there. Like, this is wow. All right, so let's get started. So we just got the Mac set up and everything, so we're gonna go ahead and hit that continue button, and now we're at the home. All right, so the first app that we're gonna be downloading is, of course, gonna be our Final Cut Pro, right? Because that is just number one in what we need. So go ahead and get past all these things right here. We're just gonna type in Final Cut Pro. Nothing. Final Cut Pro right there. Go ahead and install that. Second on our list is going to be no other than ChatGPT because, come on, we're content creators. We have to have ChatGPT, right? Go ahead and download that real quick. Super quick, super simple. Now we got ChatGPT installed on our Mac, right? Bam, cool. Our third thing, listen, shout out to Siobhan, okay? Because without him, I probably wouldn't even known about this, okay? Our third app that we want to download is going to be a different browser, and that's the Opera browser. Now, of course, being a YouTuber, I can never go wrong with using Google Chrome, right? Because for me personally, I like to use two different browsers. It just helps out my workflow, right? All things YouTube created, we go through Chrome, and you know, we're going to test out Opera to see how it is, but from what I've seen, it looks super aesthetic, and you know we love our aesthetics. Lastly, we got to install Canva because how else will we make our thumbnails? Like, come on. So those are our main Mac apps. All right, so if you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe because this is just honestly phenomenal, okay? So like, would I recommend buying this laptop used? Well, like I said, I got this laptop for $400 off of Amazon, okay? It said it was used like new. Well, this is brand new, okay? I mean, I don't see what was used about it. The box is new. They didn't even take off, they didn't do anything, but it's $400 off, okay? Highly, highly recommend you check on Amazon to get you one of these computers because, like I said, $1,600 compared to $1,200, that's a big difference. So I would highly recommend you go do that first, okay? But besides that, man, look, this, we all know Macs, you know what I mean? You got the MacBook Air. Can pretty much do the same thing that this computer can do, but this is just so much. I mean, the display alone, it's just, everything about this computer is just, it's mind blowing. It's honestly, it's just phenomenal, okay? So if you're stuck on between where to get MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, listen, the display alone, for me, persuaded my decision, and I'm keeping this computer for like 4 years, or 5 years, you know what I mean? Like, this is gonna be my everyday workhorse, producing content for you guys, okay? So listen, if you want to see me do anything with the Mac, comment it down below. We got plenty more videos coming out soon. But yeah, man, that's been it. Hope you guys enjoyed.